Hello, and welcome to my e-portfolio. This e-portfolio was created to share information about CB210265 Building Construction Technology 1, which I take in Semester 2, Year 2. In this e-portfolio, I shared all about Building Construction Technology 1. Introduction of Jade Hills Project. KTM train station project in Jade Hills aims to boost transport connections, providing an efficient alternative to public transit and connecting residents to major urban centers via the KTM train network. This project has the potential to open up new economic opportunities and prospects, attracting commercial and retail investments, job creation, and economic growth in the surrounding region. Jade Hills emphasizes sustainable living and environmental conservation, with green areas, tree-lined highways, and sustainable design elements. The KTM railway station project in Jade Hills aims to establish a modern and efficient transportation hub, enhancing connectivity, extending transportation options, and fulfilling the increasing demands of the local population and surrounding areas. The railway station will provide residents with easy access to educational institutions, career opportunities, commercial centers, and recreational attractions, boosting local employment, supporting commercial expansion, and improving the overall socioeconomic environment. By providing dependable and efficient public transit, the train station will make public transport an appealing alternative to private vehicles, motivating commuters to use it. By achieving these goals, Kajang aims to establish a well-connected, sustainable, and prosperous community, contributing to the region's economic and social growth.